So if you see here, suppose this is x, y, and z three coordinate system. So what I'll do, this is suppose origin. So what we'll do, suppose this is x in xyz Cartesian coordinate system or x, this one is y, this one is z. So what I will do, that this side is the negative of y, minus y. Okay. So this side is the negative of z axis. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So negative of z is this side, and negative of x, so that we cannot able to see. So this side will be the minus x. Yes or no? So the unit vector along y direction is ay, along x direction is x, along z direction is z. So this is the rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian coordinate system. So let me draw this diagram, so easily you can say what is the range of x, y, z in this coordinate system. Rectangular coordinate system, or it is also known as Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. So in this case, the coordinates are x, y, z. Now see here, so the coordinates are in terms of x, y, z. So any point coordinates are in terms of x, y, z. Okay. Then the unit vectors are x cap, ay cap, and az cap. So there are three planes here. So there are three planes. Okay. That is xy plane. If it's xy plane, that means z is normal. But your understanding, z is normal. That is z equal to, so you at that point 0, you can say normal. Then suppose yz plane, then x is normal. Then suppose zx plane, then y is normal. Okay. So if you see the range of x, y, z, what is the coordinate value of x, y, z? So this is x, suppose. So the x value, you can say, you can take x value, you can take x value is from minus infinity to infinity, because this is axis. Okay. Similarly, y is also lies between minus infinity to infinity. Z is also lies minus infinity to infinity. So this you keep in your mind. Okay. Now, suppose you have to find out. This is the conversion part that we discussed in the last class. Suppose I have to consider one plane. This is the point understanding. So keep in your mind at least one, how to find out the distance, how to find out the vector. So this is suppose Z, this is suppose Y, this is suppose X. Okay. So suppose here is one point is A. So this point is A, or you can say this is suppose I am writing here suppose a dash point. So or a dash means A1 suppose here. The coordinate here is suppose this is XY plane. So I can write here this is suppose X1, Y1 and 0. So what is the meaning of this one? So now, so X1 is this one means this is the X direction. This is the X direction. So now I can say suppose this point is the corresponding point of this point. Okay. Suppose this point is suppose I am giving capital X. And similarly that Y1 means Y axis. So this point suppose I am saying this point is that is you can say this is the point. So any point that is suppose Y, capital Y, you can say now. So now I have to find out what is this is origin. So in this plane, suppose this is OI vector. This is position vector of this point. Now can you find out what is the OA dash? This is origin. This if this is x1, so I can write this one x1 means from here to here is x1. So I can write the x1 component is x1 into ax cap unit vector. So the ax is the unit vector along x direction. So I can write this vector is x1 ax cap. Similarly, this vector I can write what is this one? y1 a y cap. So since this vector is in this direction, so suppose I assume this vector and these two vectors are parallel and same distance, same length, and this is the vector. So I can write this one also. What I can write? That is also y a1. So this vector, and this vector, I want to find out OA dash. So you can find out or not. What is the OA dash, the position vector? So in this diagram, what I will do? First I have to find out. This vector you check in this loop you apply the vectors law. So what is this value? I can write OX. O, this is capital X. OX plus X a dash. Look, the vector direction from origin to X in this direction and clockwise direction. And this is also in the same direction, this vector, that is what? X and a dash. So, but this a dash is different direction. So if it is in different direction, opposite to that vector, so I can write this one also, plus minus of OA dash because it is not in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction or in same direction. So this is equal to 0. So from this you can find out OA dash equal to OX plus XA dash. What is the OX value? OX value is x1 ax cap plus what is the x at s value? y1 ay. This is clear or not, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार और बता देंगे प्लीज.
Yes, sir. Once more.
Okay, I am drawing another diagram. Is it okay?
So one time figure and listen.
Listen. This is 3D rectangular coordinate systems. Okay. So this one is 0. Suppose this point is a dash. Okay. And since this is x, this is y, this is z. So in xy plane, z value is 0. So I can write, suppose this coordinate is x1, y1 and 0. Is it clear? Now, if this point is x1, so if I find out the corresponding line of this point in the x-axis is this point. So from O to this point is what? x1. So this is actually x1. Suppose this point is on the x-axis is capital X. Similarly, this point corresponding intersection point on the y-axis is this one. Suppose this is capital O. So origin to O dash is the position vector. So this is the position vector. I have to find out the position vector on O dash. So if this is the magnitude from O to X is x1, this is x1, corresponding point is x1. So the unit in terms of vector I can write this is, suppose I want to write this in terms of vector, that OX. So I have to write magnitude is x1, unit vector is AX. This is clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Then if this is y, so corresponding point is y1, so I can write this OY vector is, that is I can write OY unit vector along y direction is AY cap, so I can write y AY cap. If OY and X are the parallel vector and same magnitude and same direction, that is along y direction, so I can write the same vector is this one. So now it is a triangle law. You have to apply the triangle law of vector addition. OX is here. OX you got x1, x cap. X as you got y1, ay cap, because OY and X as are parallel and same magnitude, same direction. So now I have to find out what is the position vector O as. O as I have to find out. So if you apply triangle law, you have to apply here triangle law. You apply here triangle law. The triangle law is, look here, if this is OX this direction, then again this is a same direction, but this one is the opposite direction. So if you taking positive these two, then you have to take the O dash is negative. So here I can write OX plus X dash plus minus, since it is opposite direction, so it is the resultant. So you can write O dash equal to 0. sum of all the vectors along the sides of the triangles equal to 0. So from this, that O dash you keep in the right hand side, so that become O dash equal to, you got OX plus X dash. So OX value is X1 X cap plus that X dash value is Y1 AY cap. This is the position vector. Clear everyone or in doubt?
नहीं सर क्लियर है.
Who was asking?
Sir, I was asking.
It is clear now?
Yes sir.
Okay. This is for this plane. Now suppose that point is lies in that XY Z coordinate system. So in that case, what you will do? Suppose it has three coordinate value X1, Y1, Z1. Now what I will do, suppose this is X, this is Y, this is Z. Okay. Now if I choose one point here, that is suppose A dash. So this coordinate value is what? X1, Y1,
Y1 0.
0. Now I have to take the projection of this point, or I have to take one Z value here, Z1 value, so that the point becomes X1, Y1 and Z1. So what I did, so if I, so this is the position vector now that we got up to this. What is we got? Now what I'll do, I have to keep this point to a height Z1. So this point, suppose this is A point, and this point now, I have taken this point
Z1 Y1 0.
No. I am not taking in Z1 plane. I am taking that above that up to Z1 axis in the top. Okay. This point I increase that point up to Z1, keeping constant X1 and Y1. So this point in the space, suppose that value is now X1, Y1 and Z1. Above the axis, you have to feel that this is not plane now. This is a three-dimensional axis. So I increase the height of that point to Z1. So if I got this one, that means in the Z axis, the corresponding value of this point will be like other point. So suppose this is the corresponding value of this point Z1. That means in Z axis, origin to Z axis, this one is Z1. So this I can write in terms of this magnitude 0 to this capital Z. Suppose this point is capital Z. So 0 to this capital Z. Suppose this point is Z1. So this vector I can write Z1 into Z. This is in space, suppose. Okay, above 0 to what point in Z axis, because this axis is perpendicular. Z axis is perpendicular to X and Y axis. So in this case, what we'll do, if OZ is Z1 AZ cap, so this is a parallelogram. So this vector and A dash vector are parallel and same magnitude. So this vector, but you can write this one also, what? Z1 A Z. So now you can find out what is the OA vector, the position vector, OA vector. So you can find out this is a triangle law now. So this is a triangle law now. Apply triangle law here. So one is O dash, then that is other one is A dash A and OA. So find the position vector OA here. So I can write O A dash, then in the triangle A dash A minus, because this is opposite, O is opposite direction, so minus or plus OA equal to 0. So what is the value of OA? Keep that OA in the right hand side. So OA equal to OA dash plus ASA. So what is the value of OA dash? What is the value of OA dash? In the last time we did,
Y1 AY cap.
Y1 X cap OA dash in the last time when that is this is with respect to x1 plane. So OA dash we got what? X1 X cap plus Y1 AY cap. That we got previously for this point. This vector we got now in the previous diagram. That OA dash with respect to this one, X1, OI1. So this value we got. So now what I will do, in place of OA dash, so the position vector OA equal to OA dash, I can write X1, X cap plus Y1, AY cap plus, what is the value of A dash AY? A dash A.
Z1 A cap Z.
So X1 X cap plus Y1 plus Y1 AY cap plus Z1 AZ. So this one you know, because a point is X1 Y1 Z1, the position vector will be X1 X cap plus Y1 AY cap plus Z1 AZ cap. That you know. But how we are getting this one, that's why I proved this one, so that you can feel how the vector addition will take place and how the point we are shifting from here to a height of Z1 in the Z axis. So that's why I represent this one. Otherwise, if you know the coordinate from origin to this coordinate, you can write the position vector X1 X cap plus Y1 AY cap plus Z1 AZ. Clear or not? So if this side is vector notation, so here also you can write this side is a vector notation. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the vector addition. Now, suppose 2 points are there. Okay. 2 points are there. In this case, what happens? Suppose this is origin and this is a point. That point is suppose A point, coordinate is x1, y1, z1. And suppose this is another point. This point is B that is x2, y2, z2. Okay, now you have to find out what is AB. So if we know x1, y1, z1, so you can find out the position vector. The position vector OA you can find it. Yes or no? Similarly, if you know the coordinate of point B, so you can find out the position vector of that coordinate B, OB you can find it. Now I have to find out what is the incremental distance from A to B, or the displacement from A to B. So suppose I am mentioning the direction from here to here. So AB I have to find out. So can you find out this one? Apply vector addition. Yes or no? Can you find out or not? What is AB? Are you there all? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So OA, you apply vector.
OA
OA
plus OB plus OB.
plus AB. Then plus minus
OB.
OB equal to 0. This is the triangle. OB is in different direction, opposite direction, that's why. So what is the value of AB here? That OA value you know, then that OA value you know, that this value OB also you know. So easily you can find out or not? Yes or no? So what is the value of AB? So AB equal to, I can write OB minus OA. So in this position vector OA, if x, y, z coordinates are given, so I can write this one x1 x cap plus y1 ay cap plus z1 az cap. Yes or no? Yes or no? OA value is this one or not?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, OB
Yes, sir.
right? X2 x cap, y2 ay cap plus z2 az cap. This is the position vector with respect to what? B point and with respect to A point. So if OB you know, OA you know, so AB you can find out or not? OB minus OA. So if you got subtraction of this one, so now I can write that AB equal to, I can write this AB equal to OB vector. That OB vector is x2 x cap plus y2 ay cap plus z2 az cap. This one minus what is the value? OA
X1 A X cap, Y1 A Y cap, Z1 A Z.
so minus x1 x cap plus y1 y cap plus z1 az cap. So that corresponding component of x you have to subtract corresponding component of AY you have to subtract and corresponding component of AZ you have to subtract. So A B vector equal to, you can write x2 coefficient is x in the first part, then in the second part x1. So x2 minus x1 x plus y2 minus y1 ayk plus z2 minus z1 azk. So this is clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So in the Cartesian coordinate system, suppose suppose if the displacement or shortest distance or least square distance, I can write this, suppose this elemental length dl vector equal to, I can write x2 minus x1. So this is the, I can write dx x cap plus y2 minus yy, and you can write dy ay cap plus z2 minus z1. So what are the value, that is suppose dz, so dz cap. So the displacement vector or the shortest distance or the least square distance dl. So this is the displacement vector. Okay. So this is the dl is the, you can say this is the displacement or shortest distance. Okay. So if two vectors are given, you can find out that displacement between this one or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you want to find out BA. So BA you can find out or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose in this diagram, suppose I am doing another, I change the direction. That was A to B, now I can change. Suppose that one I will change to B to A. So B to A you can find out or not? That one becomes only x1 minus x2. Suppose now this is the axis. Okay. Now suppose this is point A, coordinate is x1, y1, z1. This point is suppose B, x2, y2, z2. Okay. Now what we'll do? Suppose the position vector from origin to this vector is, suppose OA. This is in this direction, and the position vector B is in this direction. Okay. Now suppose the vector is from B to A.
B টা হবো OA minus OB.
Suppose this direction is given. Okay. So you can find out or not? So in this case, what happens? In this diagram, that is suppose OA. Okay. Then other one is B to A. So I can write plus minus B to A. Then what I can write? That is AB. That is also opposite direction. So I can write plus minus OB equal to 0. Okay. So in this case, OA value you know, OB value you know. So I can write direct OA minus OB equal to, you can write equal to BA. Okay, you find out. Okay. So BA. So that you know that OA minus OB in the last time. OA minus OB, what you got? If you get here, that is what? OB minus OA equal to AB. So what I can write? That OA minus OB equal to minus AB. This equal to this one. So if I got this one, so in the previous cases, so I can write this, since we have, in the last cases we have that AB equal to, second point is B, so OB minus OA. So if I write this one, OA minus OB equal to what that becomes? Minus AB. This is in previous. So now that OA minus OB means what I can write in this equation? In equation 1, I can write OA minus OB equal to minus AB vector equal to BA vector. If we change, so you can put what? 1 minus. A to B or B to A. If you want to write, so you put 1 minus. So the direction will change. So this is the cases. So this is also displacement vector, that is DA, DL. This is also displacement vector D. So BA means here BA you can find out that OA minus OB, that 2-point notation. So you put the value, this is the proof. So if you put only on minus sign, so that you can find. So now if you find out BA vector in the second diagram, so BA vector is, what is the vector? OA, this is the second, this is the point, then OB. So this value you know. So OI value you know, position vector of A point. That value is x1 x cap plus y1 ay cap plus z1 az cap. Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, this is the OA. Then second is x2 x cap plus y2 ay cap plus z2 az cap. So what you got? That point you got. So BA equal to you got BA equal to got x1 minus x2 x cap, then y1 minus
Y2.
y2
Then
ay cap plus, see here only the previous one, this one only one minus, that was x2 minus x1, here z1 minus z2. So if you put minus sign, that becomes equal. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
This also you can write in terms of displacement vector dl. Same, that become also you can write dl also here. The difference is this one, so I can write dx. Both are that elemental length plus dy ay cap plus dz az cap. So is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So any class now you have?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Next class.
At what time?
Yes.
11:50.
Okay, wait for 2 minutes so that I'll discuss. So cylindrical coordinate system, suppose this is the Cartesian coordinate analysis. If you understand these things, you can. But you have to remember what is the limit of x, minus infinity to plus infinity. What is the limit of y? Minus infinity to similarly plus infinity. Z is also minus infinity to plus infinity. But in case of cylindrical, coordinate system. So in this case, what happens? The coordinates are in your Sadikyu book, that is written as rho phi z. But you can also write in other book mention r phi z. So here the coordinates are rho or r, you can write phi and z. Okay. So in this case, rho is a radial distance. So origin to that point. That's why the rho is right. The rho lies between 0 to infinite radial distance. The rho or r lies between 0 to infinite. This is very, very important. Only positive side, because origin to that point distance or r. And phi is angular rotation. That's why the phi value lies between 0 to 2 pi. This is very, very important. Okay. And z is same, because Cartesian coordinate system and cylindrical coordinate system, z is same. So that value we can write that z is lies between. So when we will solve problem and integration, this value you have to write. The lower limit is 0, phi, upper limit is 2 pi. This phi is same as coordinate system, spherical coordinate system. So next class we will discuss in detail. Thank you all. Try to solve some example of Sadikyu book. Is it okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
attendance.